Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Winix 116130 is probably one of the most essential investments you can make for your home, transforming your living space into a sanctuary of fresh, clean air, free from allergens, dust, pet dander, and unpleasant odors, ensuring every breath you take contributes to a healthier, more comfortable environment for you and your loved ones, making it a crucial device for anyone prioritizing well-being and indoor air quality. Number 5. Winix 116130 Replacement Filter H for 5500-2. Maintain peak performance for your Winix 5500-2 air purifier. This genuine replacement filter ensures your air remains clean and fresh. It is the authentic 116130 Filter H, specifically designed for your unit. Trust only genuine parts for optimal filtration. This filter is engineered to perfectly fit your Winix 5500-2 model. Its precise dimensions guarantee seamless integration and effective operation. Measuring 16.25 inches long, 12.5 inches wide, and 1.5 inches thick, it matches the original specifications. Its white color blends discreetly with your purifier. Regular replacement of this filter is crucial for removing airborne particles and odors. Ensure your home environment is always healthy and comfortable. What we like. This is the genuine replacement filter, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance for your specific air purifier. Its precise dimensions guarantee a seamless fit and optimal filtration. If you prioritize authenticity and want to maintain your Winix 5500-2's original performance, this is the ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted for the Winix 116130. Number 4. Winix C545 HEPA Replacement Filter S. This premium replacement filter is designed for your Winix C545 air purifier. It perfectly matches part numbers 1712, 0096, 00 and 2522-0058-00, known as Filter S. Please confirm your purifier model before ordering to ensure compatibility. Each pack provides exceptional value, containing 1 HEPA filter and 4 activated carbon filters. These are carefully sealed for freshness. It's an efficient investment for maintaining clean air. The HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This significantly improves the air quality in your home. You'll notice a difference in how fresh your environment feels. Its activated carbon filters are essential for tackling unpleasant odors. With 4 carbon filters included, you have extra replacements to keep your air consistently fresh. It's the ideal accessory for a truly clean-smelling home. Installing these filters is incredibly easy thanks to the convenient grab tab. Simply ensure the pull tab faces you for effortless removal. For optimal performance, replace the HEPA filter every 6 to 8 months and the activated carbon filters every 3 months. Crafted from high-quality non-woven fabric, these filters utilize advanced technology for maximum filtration. They operate with lower energy consumption and less pressure. This ensures higher efficiency and superior air purification. What we like. This filter pack offers excellent compatibility with the Winix C545, ensuring a perfect fit. It comes with 1 HEPA filter and an impressive 4 activated carbon filters, providing extended odor control. If you are looking for a cost-effective solution with extra carbon filters to keep your air consistently fresh and odor-free, this pack is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Pulluty 116130 HEPA Filter H for Winix 5500-2 AM80. Looking for replacement filters? These are designed to perfectly fit your Winix 5500-2 and AM80 air purifiers. They ensure your device continues to operate at its best. Featuring H13 True HEPA technology, these filters capture an impressive 99.97% of airborne particles. They effectively trap particles as tiny as 0.03 microns, ensuring a healthier environment. The activated carbon pre-filter works hard to absorb smoke, cooking fumes, and other noxious odors. It also tackles harmful volatile organic compounds, leaving your air fresh. This pre-filter also collects larger particles like dust and pet hair, protecting the main HEPA filter. This dual action helps to extend its overall life and maintain peak performance. Each package provides great value, including 2 H13 True HEPA filters and 2 activated carbon filters. This ensures you have a spare set ready for replacement. For best results, we recommend replacing the HEPA filter every 6 to 8 months and the activated carbon pre-filter every 2 to 3 months. Regular changes ensure consistent high filtration. We are committed to providing high-quality, cost-effective filters for a better living environment. We stand by our products with a 90-day warranty and dedicated customer service. What we like. This replacement filter boasts H13 True HEPA filtration, capturing 99.97% of tiny airborne particles. It comes as a convenient 2-combo set, providing excellent value and longer-lasting performance. If you need superior air purification for your Winix 5500-2 or AM80 and appreciate a value pack for extended use, this is a strong contender. What people say. Number 2. Improvedhand 115115 Filter A for Winix Air Purifiers. This replacement filter is specifically designed to fit a wide range of Winix plasma wave air purifiers, including popular models like the C535, 5300, and 6300 series. Please ensure it matches your specific air purifier model for optimal performance. Crafted with efficiency paper and premium activated carbon, it ensures consistent and stable performance throughout its lifespan. Every unit undergoes rigorous factory inspection to guarantee reliability. Utilizing true efficiency materials, it features precision-woven micron-level fibers compressed into a dense waveform. This high-density structure effectively captures nearly all airborne substances, ensuring cleaner air for your home. Its activated carbon pre-filter is made from sintered powdered coconut shell, boasting an impressive internal specific surface area. This advanced design excels at absorbing odors and harmful gases, leaving your air fresh. Each package includes all necessary parts for a standard installation, making replacement simple and tool-free. We recommend changing it every 6 to 8 months for peak performance, depending on your usage. We are dedicated to providing high-quality products and exceptional service. If you have any questions or need assistance, our team is always ready to help. What we like. This filter replacement offers incredibly broad compatibility, fitting a wide range of Winix plasma wave models. It includes 2 main filters and an impressive 8 carbon pre-filters, ensuring long-term odor absorption. If you own one of the many compatible Winix models and desire an abundant supply of carbon filters for continuous fresh air, this package is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. FutureWay Winix 5500-2 Replacement Filter Kit. This replacement filter kit is designed for seamless compatibility with your Winix 5500-2 air purifier and AM80 models. It perfectly replaces the original 116130 filter H, ensuring your purifier continues to perform optimally. Enjoy the same high-quality performance as genuine filters, but at a significantly lower cost. This value combo pack offers an excellent solution to maintain your air quality without breaking the bank. Featuring H13 True HEPA technology, it captures tiny particles like dust, pollen, and pet dander. Experience a noticeable difference in your indoor environment with this advanced filtration. The activated carbon filter effectively tackles pet odors, smoke, and other unpleasant smells. Even wildfire smoke is no match, leaving your home's air pure and delightful. This 2-set pack includes 2 HEPA and 2 activated carbon filters, providing up to 2 years of clean air. You'll only need to replace them every 8 to 12 months, making maintenance simple and infrequent. What we like. This 2-set replacement filter provides H13 True HEPA filtration, excellent for pet owners or those sensitive to air quality. It's designed for the Winix 5500-2 and offers a cost-effective solution for 2 years of clean air. If you are a pet owner or suffer from allergies and want a powerful, long-lasting, and budget-friendly filter solution for your 5500-2, this option is ideal. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.